Hey, it's me. So, I heard that you want to start drifting and sliding around, going from side to side, just looking from the side windows and feeling like I freaking love my life. You want a car, right? I got you. So, at first, let me just give you an advice from your boy. Even if you are the best drifter or a new one, you should always have a shitbox. A good one, not a shitty one, of course. A shitbox is a car that's rusties from cars. You got me?
Boring!
Okay, never mind. So, the car is made for track use. The paint is awful and doesn't look good. It's a car that you don't care if you damage. They are usually cheap and you can find them everywhere. The idea of having a shitbox is one of the following four things. 1. To not break your one and only competition car. 2. To push yourself to the limit and not be scared to hit the wall. 3. To train every day in this car. 4. And because they are cheap, so why not? Get one. Let's not get carried away, and the list of the best cars is 1. Let's go straight to the crowd favorites, AJDM. That's an oldie, but a goodie. The Toyota MK3 Supra got a 1JZ engine. For the people who's not familiar with this engine, well, this engine got a lot of potential and the power. Just get a couple of mods and you got a reliable 400 horsepower engine. And with the weight of the MK3, you will have some great good drifting time. Just throw some coilover, weld the diff and get a steering angle kit. You don't have to get a hydraulic e-brake, you can use the stock one with some adjustment. If you are trying to keep your car in budget, try to keep your car stock as possible as you can, so you can push yourself to the limit. Do not, I repeat, do not start with a high horsepower car. It's not about the horsepower, it's about the seating time. 2. Let's go to a German one. Germans. Oh shit, they know how to make cars. The BMW E36 and E46 M3 with a big aftermarket support and big community. But you probably need to make a subframe reinforcement. The vehicle has a terrific weight distribution, a low center of gravity and a powerful 6-cylinder engine that deliver enough power to the rear wheels to keep them turning around through corners. 3. The Nissan 350Z is one of the best Japanese sports cars to be ever made. They are everywhere and in every corner. Whenever you hear a trumpet, oh baby, that's the sound of the VQ with 306 horsepower stock from the factory. I just love this car. It's just sexy and famous for a reason. The car is just unbeatable and it has managed to win various Formula Drift championships under a different set of drivers. So what's the secret? The 350Z has an advantage of the other mainstream cars do not have. It's easily customizable and it has great chassis balance, which allows it to be fitted by virtually any type of engine with a great drift result. The vehicle chassis can handle the power from different engines, and that's what makes it so damn great. 4. A V8 exclamation mark muscle car. American. The Corvette C5. Oh, sheesh. This amazing beauty. This beast, the car is just wild. Very good looking and with a powerful LS1 V8 engine. A very strong motor. The engine components are available for them everywhere. The more time passes, the cheaper you can find them. I'm pretty sure you can find now for 8 grand. And to be honest, it's a good deal because you are paying for its value. They are entering into the drift world and more aftermarket parts are being made for them. And to be more specific, I'm talking about the steering angle kit because before then there were not any for the C5. This car wasn't this famous before in the drifting world. 5. You don't usually experience this often, but the Hyundai has actually made a very good drift car. The Genesis Coupe is powered by a 3.8 V6 engine offering a 274 horsepower and 275 torque, and because of its lightweight it's a fine option for drifting. And now it's actually competing with the 350Z. There is a big argument about it and about whether the Genesis is better than the 350Z, especially that it is throwing bigger angles than the 350Z. However, you can get large drift angles but you can't maintain the forward speed of the slide. So if you're trying to get the easiest to smoke the rear tire of the box, go with the Genesis. And we can't deny that both of the car have a very good appearance. With all being said, the 350Z is better in my opinion. 6. The 335e E92 is known to have a very spicy looking appearance, one of the best engine BMW has ever made. The N54 Inline 6. It claims to be the 2JZ killer. It takes the tune remarkably well. They are getting cheap because they are not reliable, but some people said that you can build a 400 horsepower N54 engine and still can be reliable as the 2JZ. The sound of the N54 is very aggressive and I really like the look of the E92. It's my dream build, to build an LS E92. And that's the end of our list, but guess what? There's more, so stay tuned for another list. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button. This will help this channel to grow, and please hit the sub on your way. Until next time, peace.